Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. Here we are. My name's Phil and this is just a quick video to show you around our lovely Honda Jazz EX. Finished in this lovely red colour. With a nice daylight running lights under here with your fog lights. You've got sensors all the way around. So you know it's an EX because these are the wheels that you can only get on the EX. Really, really nice car. So again, as you can see, sensors are colour coded. Got a little reverse camera under there. As it's a Honda approved car, comes with a minimum 12 months roadside assistance and a minimum 12 months warranty. Let's have a look on the inside. If you'd like a personalised video of this car, please do give us a ring on 01704 500 501, where one of our sales team can actually give you a really personalised video in depth and show you all the features. Really nice cockpit. It is keyless entry, so you can see the keys just down there, and you've got a start stop button just there. Yeah, very nice.